To display time in 24-hour format on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap date and time. Now tap the gray on switch next to use 24-hour format until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your phone will display time in 24-hour format. You can choose this format to avoid ambiguity because this format can clearly distinguishes between morning and evening hours without needing AM or PM. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.